Well, I'd never heard of Escoda at all. I mean, it was just something that I ran into. Someone gave me a brush and I started using it, and almost instantly I started rejecting all the other brushes I had, because the funny thing is I'd spent a lot of money buying the other brushes, so it's quite frustrating for me to just keep them aside. But that was it. I mean, I started loving the Escoda brush almost instantly. To me, it's the point. It's just the thing with when you're drawing, and I draw cartoons and I do watercolors and stuff, you need sometimes to get really thick and you know, get the brush really wide and then go down to that single point. And most of the brushes, they don't kind of remember where or what they should be doing, and the Escoda brush just goes down so quickly to that point, almost like it's a new brush every time. So when I use it, I can just go down and do that single line, or I can do it, you know, thick as a thick or a thin line just as effectively. And I don't always get that with the other brushes. Yes, to me that's what matters a lot. Obviously they must be doing other things as well. They snap back into shape pretty quickly. So apparently they have a memory, which is quite interesting for something called a brush. But yeah, to me that's the important thing. It's just I need the brush to do what I want it to do, and not to do whatever it feels like doing. And most of the brushes that you buy out there, even the expensive ones, they do what they feel like doing, and I want it to do what I want it to do. And that's what the Escoda brush does really well. It does what you as the artist wants it to do. Yes, I mean, we have cartooning courses online and we have live courses as well. And you know, people often ask me, which brush should I use? And I often tell them, just go to the store and buy any brushes. Well, I wouldn't be telling them buy any brushes now, because once you've used an Escoda, you know the difference between any brush and an Escoda brush, and it's just totally different. And so, yes, this is the brush that I would recommend from now on.